Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to transfer money from your Neteller account to your bank account? Here's a quick step-by-step guide to help you out. First of all, log into your Neteller account and navigate to the Money Out section. Next, click on Withdraw Now under the Bank Account option. Choose your registered bank account and click Next. If you haven't added a bank account yet, click on Add a bank account and provide your bank details. If your bank is located in a different country, you may need to register it accordingly. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw and click Next, depending on your country. You might need to provide additional details like your CPF or CNPJ number if you are in Brazil. On the next page, review your withdrawal information carefully. To finalize the transaction, confirm it by entering your secure ID, and that's it. Your withdrawal request is now complete. The funds will be transferred to your bank account shortly. And that's it. Thanks for watching.